Children, let me tell you today about the national symbols of our country, India. Our national flag is Tiranga. The Tiranga has three colors: saffron at the top, white at the center and green at the bottom. Saffron stands for strength, courage and sacrifice. White stands for peace, truth and purity. Green stands for fertility, growth and prosperity. The Ashok Chakra at the center of the flag represents the wheel of Dharma and stands for continuous progress. Our national fruit is mango. Mango is called the king of fruits in India. Sweet, juicy and intense in flavor, mangoes are orangish yellow or greenish yellow in color. Our national flower is lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is usually found in pink or white colors. The lotus stands for purity, peace and truth. Our national river is Ganga. Ganga is our national river. It originates from Gomukh, Gangotri. Ganga is the lifeline of millions of Indians and is considered sacred in Hinduism. National Anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. It was composed by India's first Nobel laureate, Rabindranath Tagore. Our national song is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The song was a great source of inspiration for many of our freedom fighters. National animal, tiger. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It has been chosen for its grace, strength, agility and power. National bird, peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It has been chosen because of its rich cultural history, bright colors, and wide presence across the country. National emblem, lion capital. The national emblem of India is the lion, capital. It has four lions standing back on a circular base with the national motto inscribed underneath, Satyamev Jayate. The lions symbolize power, courage, pride and confidence. National currency, Indian rupee. The national currency of India is the Indian rupee. It is divided into 100 subunits called paisa. National reptile, king cobra. King cobra is the national reptile of India. It is the world's longest venomous snake and has a very high place in Indian mythology, ecology and culture. National heritage animal, elephant. The Indian elephant is the national heritage animal of India. This is because it has deep cultural, historical and ecological significance to India. National tree, banyan. The banyan tree is called the national tree of India because its large size, long life and wide-spreading aerial roots symbolize the country's unity, endurance and rich cultural heritage. National aquatic animal, Gangetic dolphin. The Gangetic dolphin is India's national aquatic animal. These blind animals use sound waves to navigate and hunt. They indicate a healthy river ecosystem. These national symbols represent India's rich culture, history and wildlife. I hope you have now learnt about the national symbols of India and their significance.